Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. This is the following video of previous videos, randomized algorithm and Las Vegas algorithm. This is the question previously asked, what is the difference between Las Vegas algorithm and Monte Carlo algorithm? So write differences I told you, and you need to write randomized algorithm starting video, and Las Vegas algorithm is here that I have partitioned. Now the topic is from first unit introduction from the DAA subject, design and analysis of algorithm. The topic is randomized algorithm. This is my phone number. If you have any doubts, queries, WhatsApp me or you can call me at any time, right, for document and any doubts, clarification. Here I wrote left side Las Vegas algorithm. Here I wrote Monte Carlo algorithm. Here output is always correct, always same. If you give same inputs, we will get the same outputs for every time. Whereas here I wrote, you take a screenshot. I will explain all the code. It will become mesh. Take the screenshot now itself. Right here, for all same inputs, we will get the same output. Always it will be correct only. But whereas Monte Carlo algorithm, output may be incorrect. Sometimes it may be correct, sometimes it may not correct. We will get ambiguity results with some probability of inputs. Whereas here running time is random variables. Running time will changes. Running time will changes according to inputs, according to randomized inputs. See my previous video. Here running time is deterministic. Running time is determined, defined. Here example is randomized quicksort. I told you in my previous video. We have heap sort is there, merge sort is there, quicksort is there. Heap sort is not there in the syllabus. We have merge sort and quicksort. Quicksort is faster than merge sort. Out of these three sortings, quick, merge and heap sorting, randomized quicksort is very fast. Randomly we will arrange it. You watch my previous video for clarification and depth knowledge of this. Here for Monte Carlo algorithm, randomized algorithm for approximate median is the example for that. Here general algorithms. General algorithm for algorithm for search repeat. If you want to repeat a search element, finding a element, algorithm search repeat A. A is the array variable name. For I is one more variable. We are checking from starting to ending. For example, already told you in my previous video, int A of n elements we are having 1 up to n. We need to find some middle element. We need to search. So I is a 0 and I is less than or equal to n minus 1, because address will starts from 1 to n minus 1. It will start from 0 and I plus plus. We are repeating. We are searching all the elements. For j equal to I plus 1, next element j is less than n. It means last element j plus plus. So one more element. We are cross checking those two. A of I equal to and equal to A of j. Then we found the element. Repeated element. You can watch my previous video. Here we found the repeated element. For example, 2 is somewhere and one more 2 element is also somewhere else. This is A of 0 location. This is for example A of 2th location. So you can watch my previous video. This is general algorithm. For this Las Vegas search repeat algorithm is Las Vegas search repeat A. Here while we are writing a loop here. While true, this is a loop, a repetition, array repetition for finding repeated elements. I is equal to random, this is a function. Mod n plus 1. N plus 1 means last element will be, see, if you keep mod, we will find the exact location of the number. And j is one more element, that is also used with the random function and mod n plus 1. So we will find the exact location of j. If we are using a condition, if I and j are not equal, address should not be equal. Address should not be equal, but the value should be equal. That is, we are finding the repeated numbers. A of I, we are having some 2 number. Watch in my previous video also. A of j also we are having the same number. Sometimes it may happen. For example, int 3, we are having 3 numbers, right? Those Those are 1, 2 and 2. So these two are repeated. So we are finding repeated number. Similarly, this side, algorithm for search, general search for Monte Carlo algorithm. Algorithm search AX. A is array variable name, X is a finding element. For I, we are repeating all the elements, we are searching all the elements. When we find X element, we write true. We found the element. You can watch my previous algorithm videos. First in divide and conquer, we have all the algorithms. And here for Monte Carlo algorithm, you need to write differences like this. For randomized algorithm, we are getting so many types of questions. Randomized quicksort algorithm, randomized definition and examples. In short question also we will getting, in essay question also we will getting. What is a LosVeGas algorithm? And this 5 types of question from one topic. Right? Monte Carlo algorithm for search. So this is one more scientist for this general algorithms. Scientist explained algorithm is this. So here algorithm Monte Carlo search. A is array variable name, X is a finding element, R is a repeating element. How many times we are repeating to find the exact element. For I equal to 0, I is less than equal to R. Sometimes R equal to N only. We will repeat the element to find the element sometimes. Till the end we are searching. So we need to find it. If we find at the end location, we need to find it till the end. I plus plus. I equal to random. Random is a function and mod n plus 1. So we will finding up to last element. If we are using a if condition, a of I equal to x. So we found the element, then return true. So this is the Monte Carlo algorithm and this is LosVeGas algorithm. These are the main differences between those two. So question may come at any ways. So read all the chapters titles like define, divide and conquer, definition and algorithm, and greedy method definition and algorithm, and backtracking definition and algorithm, and divide and conquer, and greedy method, and branch and bound. All the 5 units, 5 methods of the techniques, you need to find out the definitions as well as algorithm. Then 2 questions will be compulsory in short marks question, either essay marks question. Sometimes short marks questions will come in essay marks question. Sometimes essay marks question will come in the short marks question. So write neatly in the exam. All the best for your exams.